It's your girl Senior. Oh my god. That's how this is gonna go. Alright. Hey guys, it's your girl Senior here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be my review on Boxy Charm for November. I apologize if my voice is a little bit broken, but you know what? It's winter time. It's bound to happen to you, to me, to somebody that you know, because everyone's going to get a cold at some point in time this winter. And can I tell you, it is freezing here in Indiana. It literally went from being hot and sunny, you know, being in like the low 60s, to all of a sudden the next day, bam, it was just snow, blizzard. And people here in the Midwest act like they haven't lived here and know how to drive. The first fall of snow, people were driving so slow as if you've never driven in snow before. And you lived in the Midwest how long? I mean, I've lived here my whole entire life, so, and I've always had four-wheel drive vehicles, all-wheel drive. You know, I've just driven in the snow so much. Anyways, before I keep going on a tangent, on a rant about how cold it is here in Indiana, let's actually get into what we came here for, and this is for the Boxy Charm box for November, which I've got right here for you guys. So if you guys love videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the box. So obviously this is the first month of November where they have added in some of the changes that they talked about in last month. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll gladly go ahead and link my video here for you in a card that I did last month, kind of talking about in details about Boxy Charms changing. Obviously it used to be $21 a month, now it is $25 a month, and they are guaranteeing you $125 plus in this box for the amount of money, I apologize, that you are spending. They're also trying to add more customization into the box, and they're also giving you the opportunity to get their different boxes they have. So they'll have a $25 box, a $35 box, and then they'll also have the Boxy, what is that? What's the other one? The premium box as well. So I think that's what it is. Don't quote me. I forgot already what it is. Let's just go ahead and see what's in here. So obviously they have the card for this month. It is Boxy Charm Stellar, and typical card that's going to show you everything you get in this box. Nice and colorful, pink inside. And starting off, again, so they said they wanted to see people do customization. They want to know your skin tone, kind of really know what kind of foundation and concealer that you are wearing at home. So they gave me a sample of the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer in Fair, Light to Medium, Medium, and Rich, so that I can try these out. So next month when they ask me questions of, did I like any of these, were they a close shade to me, they're able to send you actual concealers and foundations coming up in your boxes that will actually match you, which is perfect. More customization. This is what they're starting off with. So next month, both boxes are doing the same thing. They're trying to compete with each other. We know that's what you guys are doing, so you're both trying to step up your game. It is what it is. But here's the concealer for me to try out and then figure out if I like it or not, and we will go from there. So the first exciting item that is in this box, I'm going to need to drink water because my voice is about to crack. It's about to be done by the end of this video. Are these Boxy Charm brushes. Comes in this cute little plastic case. I was so excited to see this. And sneak peeks that I've seen that people have. So these are the two brushes that they have. One is I don't think they're, so they're not labeled as normal brushes are. So let me go ahead and read what it says in here. So this is the Boxy Charm 2-brush set. You have Create Your First Look, Total Luxury with our first Boxy Charm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. In the foundation brush, which is the more oval based one, is for more precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These are ultra soft and handcrafted, synthetic and cruelty free. These are worth $35. So when I saw that people had these kind of reminded me of the artisan brushes, if you know what I mean, just because of how compact they are, and they're more like this instead of how the other ones look like brushes, if you know what I mean. Yes, no, let me know down below. But yes, so these are super duper soft. I cannot wait to try these out with a liquid foundation. Obviously, don't forget to always wash your brushes first. Wash your brushes first before you use them, just because you don't know how they were made, what's lingering on them, dust, particles, whatever it may be. And this was not like sanitarily sealed, if you know what I mean. It's just kind of an open, and it seems like there's like dents and stuff and dust all over the package. So again, always wash your brushes before you use them. So that is worth $35. The next product we have in here is Lily Lashes BoxyCharm collaboration. So they are giving you a pair of lashes that are in here for you. These are in their foam mink lashes. These are worth $25. Luxurious, glamorous pair handcrafted false lashes. Flawlessly blend into your natural lashes, instantly adding length, volume, definition, and the perfect finish to any look. So yeah, these are really pretty. I am not that much into lashes as much as I should be, and I feel like I would love it, but sometimes they irritate my eyes. My eyes don't like the weight of it, whatever it may be. I don't know why. I own a lot of lashes. I buy lashes for shits and giggles. Excuse my language. But in general, I don't know. I'll try them. Maybe I'll take them on vacation with me. We shall see. But anyway, so those are worth $25. The next item that is in here, in case you're wondering, Sandra, what color is on your lips right now? Well, I've already gone ahead and tried this out for you guys. This is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Flirty. So I actually went ahead and tried this and put this on my lips. I'm gladly going to go ahead and swatch this for you too. But I did use a lip liner. I used the NYX lip liner in, I think it was Nutmeg. Yeah, Nutmeg 811. So that's this color right here for you guys. You can see right there. That is the color that I lined my lips with. And then the actual color looks like this for you guys. And then just to kind of swatch that right next to it, this is what it looks like. So on my natural lips, it actually looked more paler than what this was on my hand and what it looks like in the bottle. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and line it on something a little bit darker. So it kind of gave me more of that darker nude lip compared to one that's kind of too nude where it just doesn't look right on you because of your skin tone. I don't know. I do love Dose of Colors. I actually do have a few more other liquid lips that I bought recently from Ulta during their 21 days sale that I really want to try, and they're more of darker tones, so more like fall and winter tones. Ooh, they're going to look so bomb on my lips with some poppin' outfits. So again, that is Flirty by Dose of Colors, and that is $18. And then the next item in here, which is the most expensive item, which I've seen a lot of people have, this is by a brand called Caprice. This is their antioxidant dew quenching glow serum. So it's an antioxidant dew lavishing skin with quenching, encapsulating antioxidants, nourishing amino acids, an array of soothing botanicals, used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece for your skin. So beautiful packaging. For sure, for sure. So this is, again, $90. I'm sorry, I like to spend my money, but I don't know if I'd spend $90 on skincare. I mean, this is a pretty hefty bottle for $90. But it's only 1.59 fluid ounces. So for $90, I feel like I would expect like a full 3 ounces of liquid. But we shall see. I've seen people try this out. I've seen a lot of beauty gurus already talk about how much they love it already, so I will gladly go ahead and give it a go, let y'all know, probably use an upcoming video, maybe as a primer, who knows, or just take it with on my vacation because your girl is going to need some hydration in her skin when I go to Cancun here in the next few days. So let's just go ahead and toss that in my suitcase because my suitcase is wide open right over there. Damn, that was heavy. Alright, and the last item that is in this box is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette, and this is $35. So I've seen a lot of people talk about this when it first got released. Everyone was like asking how they could get their hands on it. And then finally, oh no, this one's kind of crumbled in here. Finally, they actually put one of them in a box. So this is how beautiful it looks. So good. I mean, I'm excited for these colors. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shades that are right here for you. And then you have 3 probably shimmer or metallic colors right here for you. Eternal Light was already kind of smushed or broken in when I opened it up, if you didn't notice what I was doing. But yeah, they look super pretty. I could see like these 3 going really pretty together and then putting that blue underneath your eye just as like a little pop of teal. Oh, because I've done an eye look like that before in the past and it was so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. That's kind of like a fall shade looking. Then you kind of got the bright pink over here. I'm not really a big pink person, but I definitely feel like I would use probably more of all of them but this one, because this blue is just a great pop color against my brown eyes. So definitely want to try this for sure. Let's go ahead and swatch a few of them. This one I'm going to swatch for you guys, which has a shift to it. This is called Fireball. Let's go ahead and just do it right there. Wow. Okay, so that's Fireball, which has more of an orange shift to it compared to the actual red tone that's in it. Can you see that? Like how red that looks compared to what's actually on my hand. I'm going to put this on the ground with the glue box. Let me just try that one more time. And maybe it's just the way that I swatched it. But yeah, I mean, if you can kind of tell, it has a little bit of a tint to it, the red tint, but it's not much. So it's more on the orange side compared to anything. And then I kind of want to swatch the one right next to it, which is called Black Matter. Ooh, that is pretty. So that is what that one looks like. Now those would be really cool Halloween colors next to each other. Pop an eye right there for you. But definitely as a manager, you know, on my off days when I'm not working, I would love to experiment more with color and just play around with it. But I feel lazy on my off days. And yes, I'm filming for you guys, which really isn't being lazy, and where I should put more makeup on and, you know, really go all out with this stuff. But I haven't. But maybe I will do a look coming up soon, playing around with these colors because they seem so fun. So fun. Just like the conspiracy theory palette. The conspiracy theory palette, it just came out. Because guess what? Your girl got her hands on it finally. But I still have 2 more packages coming out of 3. One of them got so stuck in customs that it's not going to be here for a hot minute. And then my one from Jeffree Star Cosmetics hasn't even shipped yet. So, anyways, that is the end of this box. So those are the 5 different items that I got. So that is the end of this box. Those are the 5 different items that I got. So let's go ahead and read the prices all over again. So the Dominique Cosmetics palette was $35. The Caprice Dewy Glow Serum, whatever it is $90. The Dose of Colors lipstick, is $18. Lily Lashes is $25. And Boxy Charm is $35. So if we add that all up together, so you've got 35 plus 25, which is 60. And then 60 plus 90 is 150. And then the 150 plus 35 is 185 already right there. And then the 185 plus the 18, 185 plus 18 brings this box, is that 203? Yes, 185 plus 18. Why can I not math right now, guys? Why can I not math right now? Why? Just look at this, Sandra. 3, carry the 1, yeah. $203. Woman, math. You do it every single day. For some reason you want to have a brain fart because it's so late at night. it is what it is. So that is the full price of this box. I really want to try out the Boxy Luxe box. I think that's what it is. The changes that they're doing, the 3 different boxes, or is it? I don't know what it is. I have to go look to double check myself to see what the heck's going on. But also just to let you guys know, the Ipsy pop-up has started today, which is November 12th, where you can get up to 80% off, and that is exclusive to everyone. So if you didn't get your November Boxy pop-up, stay tuned. Boxy pop-up is now every 3 months. So visit BoxyCharm.com/Boxy pop-up to get up to 80% off beauty products and lifestyle products, etc. So, and then they also did put in here some codes for you guys if you guys want to try out some of the promotional items they've got going on. If you're subscribed to BoxyCharm's, only way you can get these codes. But they do have a promotional code for Dragon Beauty, which is Nikita Dragon's products. And then they also do have a discount code for Natasha Denona. So if you ever want to try any of her products, there's also a discount code for that here as well. I would share that with you, but again, you can't use it unless you're a Boxy Charmer anyways. So it really wouldn't benefit the person that's not. But again, that is everything. I got my box. I need to get something to drink. My voice is broken. My throat is sore. And I leave for vacation in 2 days. Why? Why? Why me? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D. And don't forget to go ahead and check out some of my social medias. I post on Instagram all the time and would love for you guys to follow me, and I would hopefully love to follow you guys back. So again, love you guys so much, and I will see you later. Bye.